Hi, I just want to show you what I mean. Hello, I just want to show you what I mean when the microwave is not working. So this is, my name is Chang, I'm from apartment 45. So what you have here is a loaf of, or just, I guess, one piece of bread. Right, so I'm going to put it in the microwave here that is apparently broken, but you guys don't acknowledge that it's broken. Close it. Right, so what I have here is, I'm going to press microwave and set the power to 100, right? I'm gonna press set, and I'm gonna set it up to say a minute and a half, right? I just want my bread hot, okay? So we're just gonna wait here for a minute and a half. Yeah, let's just wait. As you can see, this is our apartment. Alright, so 30 seconds to go. One, zero. Okay. So this is my food, and as I take it out, as you can see, well, I'm not sure if you can see it, but there's no heat. It's still cold and nothing has happened. So the microwave does not work in the sense that when you try to heat it, it doesn't work. Not so much it's broken. Oh, it is broken from the inside, but obviously Rodney did not check this. So is there any chance we could just replace this microwave? I don't want to have to deal with this issue. For the last couple of days, I haven't been able to heat my food in the microwave, and it's getting quite frustrating. Thanks.